them I don't make it and so much girl won't give me pleasure. But so much mean nothing if man have a girl me suffer. Cause girl are you me love, you me love. What kind of heart that girl you come and tell me about? No, no, no girl are you me love, you me love. And no words alone, my actions speak loud.
Hi babies, Mstoofine here. Welcome back to my channel. For my new subscribers, hey, oh my god, I miss you guys so much. Okay, me. It's been a while since I did like a video. Listen, I was struggling to do this tutorial, but I wanted to get a video in, so I came up with this look. Like I legit was trying a matte lipstick and my lip, it got burst. Listen, I haven't put on matte lipstick in forever, so my lips are literally struggling. So here I go with the gloss. My skin, my complexion is coming back, so I can't wait for it to be back. But oh my god, I miss you guys so much. So if you guys want to see this tutorial, just keep on watching. Hey guys, so as you guys know, I did my eyebrows off camera, and I'm just gonna start off by priming my eyelids using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. So I'm going to be blending this out using a brush from a PUR Cosmetics brush set, which I link down in the description box for you. Then I'm going to be using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set the concealer into place. So going into my Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to be taking this yellow shade, and I'm going to be using this as my transition color. And the brush I'm using is the PUR Cosmetics number 11 brush, which I'll leave a link where you can get it directly. Going back into the same palette, I'm picking up this orange shade, and I'm just going to be going into the crease. And I'm using a brush that I got from a BoxyCharm subscription. I totally forgot what the name is, but it will be in the description. And I'm simply just building the orange shade into the crease until I get my desired look that I'm going for. I'm now taking the PUR Cosmetics number 11 brush to blend the orange and the yellow together. Because I needed the orange shadow in my crease to be a little bit darker, I'm going to be going into my Morphe 350M palette, and I'm picking up this orange shade just to darken the crease. And I switched brushes because the other brush, it just wasn't working out for me. So using this burnt orange shadow, I'm going to be taking an e.l.f. brush to apply this into the outer V and pulling it into my crease. So taking this dark brown shadow, I'm going to be also applying this onto my outer V and pulling it into the crease. And I'm using the same brush to apply this step. And I'm going back in with the BH number 11 brush just to fuse all the shadows together. This brush has been my all-time favorite blending brush. I should get some more of these. I'm now going into my Morphe 350S palette, and I'm going to be putting this shade onto my lid. I don't know, I have so many brushes, but I just love using my fingers to apply my lid shadows. I wasn't feeling that shadow so much, so I went back into the Morphe 350S palette and I picked up this shadow just to build on top of that previous shadow that I used. After applying my lid colors, I lost a little bit of the dark brown, so I'm just going back in with my e.l.f. brush to blend this out. So moving on to the face, I'm going to be using this Dr. Brandt Illuminating Primer, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my face. I got this in my BoxyCharm box and I was so in love with it, and my skin has been a bit dry, so I have to be moisturizing of late. So using the Fit Me foundation, I'm using 362 now, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my face. A previous shade used to be 355, but that has changed. And this brush I'm using is the BS Small Kabuki brush set, which I'll link in the description box. Now taking LA Girl Pearl Concealer in the shade Toast and Toffee, I'm just going to be applying this under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my Cupid's bow. And I'm going to be blending this out using a damped beauty blender. Listen, if the beauty blender is dry, the product will just not spread across easily and blend out properly. So I encourage you guys to use a damp beauty blender. And to set the concealer into place, I'm going to be using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder with my black opal medium loose powder. And just before I could complete this look, I had to attend to my baby. So I'm back, you guys, and I'm going to be setting my entire face using the MAC Mineralized in Dark Deep. Now to contour, I don't know how I didn't get to show this, but I'm using the Covergirl Ebony Bronze just to put back some shape into my face. And don't worry, you guys, I'm coming with an updated contour and highlight foundation routine very soon. And for my blush, I'm going to be using the MAC powder blush in the shade Devil. Now for my favorite part, I'm going to be using the Face by Shana Amber Glow highlighter to give me that extra baby mama glow. So I wasn't finished with the eyes, so I'm going under my waterline using the yellow eyeshadow from the 35B palette. Then I'm picking up the orange shade to go over that yellow, and I'm also going to be using the burnt orange to build on top of that shadow. Then I'm taking a black liner. I forgot where I got this from, but you can use any liner to line your waterline. I'm now going to be using that dark brown eyeshadow just to blend out the black liner. And then I am going to be applying my mascara. So moving on to the lips, I'm going to be using a brown eyeliner pencil just to line my lips. Then I'm going to be applying the NYX Soft Matte in Abu Dhabi. And to top it off with some gloss, I'm going to be using the NYX Fortune Cookie. And this completes the look. Thank you, man. Come to mommy. Give me the peanut, baby. Just feed her. She greedy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video.
She said me don't make it, and so much girl won't give me pleasure, but so much mean nothing if me not have a girl me suffer. Cause girl, are you in love? you me love. What kind of heart that girl you come and tell me about? No, 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 girl, you me love, you me love. And no words alone, me actions speak loud. Yeah, it does make no sense.